Checking your account balance at Arab Bank Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial information. Step 1. Visit the Arab Bank Switzerland website. Open your web browser and go to the official Arab Bank Switzerland website. Look for the online banking section to begin the login process. Step 2. Log into your online banking account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account information. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Account Information or Accounts. This section will provide details about your different accounts. Step 4. Select the account you want to check. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This could be a savings account, checking account, or any other type of account you hold. Step 5. View your account balance. After selecting the account, your current balance will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to log out securely after checking your balance to protect your information. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Arab Bank Switzerland. Always ensure you are using secure methods to access your banking information.